The exercises and training techniques found here will help you build those tough, often lagging pectorals into the full, round, even, and thick pairs of striated muscular squares with rounded corners that you yearn for. Using dumbbells allows a greater range of motion than using a barbell, and this in turn means you can work more of the pectoral muscles during the exercise. Opting for dumbbells also trains each side in isolation, so you can't rely on a stronger side to muscle up the weight like you can when using a barbell. If you do find that one side is struggling when using dumbbells, you can then focus on building your strength on that side to balance your body. When you set it up as such, you're following a principle known as the pre-fatigue principle, where you tire out one muscle with an isolation exercise before going to a compound movement where it will be working again, only this time with some synergists as well. My technique is to actually perform the flies before doing any other chest movements such as bench press, incline press, etc. The dumbbell fly targets all areas of the pectorals, but most significantly the sternal fibers, those that attach directly to the sternum. The incline fly targets the top of the pectorals more than the flat version of the exercise does. To do it, set up your bench at an incline of around 30 to 40 degrees. Lie with your head and shoulders supported by the bench and your feet flat on the floor. Hold the dumbbells directly above your chest, palms facing each other, then lower the weights in an arc out to the sides as far as is comfortable. Use your pectoral muscles to reverse the movement back to the start. Keep a slight bend in your elbows throughout and do not arch your back. The dumbbell chest fly can help open up your chest muscles. Chest openers may help reduce upper back pain, increase range of motion, and reduce tightness in the upper body. The incline dumbbell press is a free weight exercise designed to target the chest, shoulders, and triceps, hitting each side of the body independently. Lie with your head and shoulders supported by the bench and your feet flat on the floor. The dumbbell incline press targets the upper portion of the chest, specifically the clavicular head of the pectoralis major, an area of the chest that's almost completely unengaged during other common chest exercises like the traditional bench press, incline push-ups, and chest flies. The incline press also hits the anterior head of the deltoid muscles of the shoulders. Set up a bench at an incline of 30 to 45 degrees and sit with your feet flat on the floor and your back on the bench. Lift the dumbbells to the chest height with your palms facing forwards. Breathe out and push the dumbbells up until your arms are fully extended, using your pectorals to power the movement. Don't let the dumbbells touch each other. Pause for a second at the top, then slowly bring them down as you inhale. My advice: lowering the weights quickly and bouncing them off the top of your chest is ineffective. The dumbbell press requires each arm to lift its own dumbbell independently, which requires more strength. This action is more challenging to control and ends up using more of the stabilizing muscles of the shoulder. Caution: when you speed through a movement like this, you end up losing the target focus for the exercise, allowing other muscle groups and momentum to help you complete the move. Despite what people have thought about the cable crossover before, You absolutely can build plenty of muscle and strength with it. The standing cable crossover exercise recruits the third most muscle fibers in your chest, only behind dumbbell press and dumbbell flies. Caution: if you have a shoulder injury, then you should not be doing this exercise. The dumbbell pullover challenges you to improve strength and flexibility at the same time. With a single move, you'll increase range of motion in the shoulder joint, expand the chest, and effectively build muscle. The classic dumbbell pullover is a widely used resistance exercise that primarily strengthens the muscles in the chest, pectoralis major, and the large wing-shaped muscles in the back, latissimus dorsi. The dumbbell pullover can help increase chest, back, and serratus size and strength at the same time. Dumbbell pullovers also improve posture. It opens up the chest and scapula, counteracting the hunched over position, which in turn helps to create more of a V shape to your back.